Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again. Well, today I'm going to be cooking the most delicious chicken dish that you've ever tried. And you must try it, believe me, it's called paprika chicken. That's right, it's got loads of paprika in it. And before we start, I want to just give a little shout out to myself. If you like my garden, check out this channel. It's called My English Tropical Garden. I'm hoping you'll enjoy it. If you like gardening, you definitely will. So without further ado, let's carry on with the recipe, and here's what we need. Some lovely chicken portions. I've got 2 chicken thighs and 1 chicken breast. Now this recipe is for 4 people, so this chicken breast is going to be cut up into pieces after cooking. We're also going to need 1 green pepper, 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, some flour, 1 whole white onion, a chicken stock cube, and here I have some paprika because it's paprika chicken, some cayenne pepper, some olive oil, and salt and pepper for seasoning. Now we'll make a start by taking a large pan into which we put some olive oil, quite a hefty amount. Then we can add our chicken portions. In they go, skin side down. I want to brown these. A bit more than that. I'll be turning these over a few times during cooking. And when they're nicely browned, I'll take these off the heat and put them into a casserole pan. Skin side up, they're looking tasty already. Add some seasoning, some salt, and then we're going to put in some freshly cracked black pepper. Grind that in. Now back to the pan that's got the chicken juices in, we can add our onion. I've chopped it up fairly small. This is entirely up to you how small you cut it, but what you want to do is get it softened. Then you're going to add the flour. 1 tablespoonful of flour, some cayenne pepper, to your taste. I don't like too much, I don't want it to burn my mouth. In with the paprika, 3 tablespoons of that goes in. Then we're going to incorporate this all together. Give this a really good mix in, and then we can add our chopped tomatoes. In they go. We'll give this a bit of a mix in, and then we can add our chicken stock. I've got about half a pint of chicken stock made from a stock cube. Put that in, mix this all together, bring it up to a simmer. Then we can add our chopped green peppers. Pop those in, stir it around, and I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes until the peppers have softened down. Then we can add this mixture to our chicken, and boy does that smell so tasty. I wish you could smell it, guys. It's wonderful. Smooth this over a bit, pop on the lid, and then it's off to the oven. So in it goes, gas mark 3 for 30 to 40 minutes until your chicken is cooked right through. And then this is what you've got. Doesn't that look wonderful? Look at those rich colours. And this is it plated up. I put a bit of sour cream on there. And look, freshly boiled potatoes. Wonderful. Gonna be eating well tonight. And talk about eating well, it's time for a taste test. So let's just take a little bit off the side here. Oh, don't forget that piece of skin. That's where all the flavour is. Well, I've got to say guys, that really is tasty. That is so nice. That paprika is, that pitch is a bit noisy, sorry about that. Anyway, the paprika chicken is fabulous. Please try it for yourself, it's easy to make. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.